Hey guys, good afternoon. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Is that my screen is also visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So, hope you know in the previous session we have connected our AWS EC2. AWS EC2 we have done. So, how we have connected? So, we have connected with the help of SSH client. Through the SSH client, we have connected our AWS EC2 instance. I hope you already remember. Okay, maybe what I can do today also, we will create one EC2 instance for your better understanding. We will create one new instance inside your AWS cloud. Like you can click on this sign in to console. So I already given my username and password. Like remember me, that's the reason I can able to see this home page. It's good. Okay. Now I can see the EC2 or you can here search, right? You can just type EC2. You can see a virtual server in the cloud and click on this. It is a virtual cloud, right? It is a virtual server. And click on these instances where you can see launch instance. And we have to follow certain steps. Already I told you. We have to follow certain steps in order to create your virtual server. First of all, you have to give some name. Any name you can give it. Based on your convenient, you can give any name. Suppose I'm giving it is my Linux server. It is a Linux server. It is just to differentiate, right? One server with another server. In order to make the difference, that's the reason we are giving a server name. So here I have given the Linux server is the server name. And come below. The next option, we have to select the AMI. When I say AMI, application Amazon machine image. Amazon machine image, it is the replica of your operating system along with what kind of software that should be installed on top of your operating system. So there are different distribution with respect to Linux itself. We can go for Red Hat. It's also one Linux distribution. And we have a CentOS. It is also SUSE Linux. It is also one. And Amazon itself providing one Linux distribution. Amazon Linux. I can go with this one. And make sure it is a free tier eligible or not. My operating system, Amazon Linux, it's a free tier eligible. Right? It is Amazon Linux kernel. And I'm using this one, and the architecture that I'm going to use, it's a 64-bit. So I can select this one, and it is a verified provider also. It is a software part of your machine. In your instance, it's a software part. And I have to select the hardware part also. That I can select with the help of instance type. Instance type, it is a hardware part of your operating system. Hardware part of your operating system. So you can go with the free tier eligible. If you want some other, you can click on this compare instance type, where we have many instance type, guys. Yesterday I told you, how can I select the instance type? Based on your workload. And if you know the workload, you have to go for family. In that family, we have a many instance type. So we have seen many instance type. What are they? The first one. First one, we can go for general purpose. Or we can go for compute optimized, memory optimized, storage optimized, HPC optimized, accelerator computing. These are all the different instance family inside your AWS cloud. These are all the different instance family on top of your AWS cloud. You can select any option. Either you can go for general purpose or memory optimized or compute optimized or storage optimized, HPC optimized, accelerator computing. Only 1 minute, guys. So there are different family I mentioned. Now here, if you take which is the free tier, here you have a search box, right? You just type because I need to go for free tier. right? So I want to, this is for my demo rate. So should I select the payment? You guys also go for the free tier. Just to type a free tier, the present, or otherwise, let me type here. You can see, right? Free tier eligible. Click on this, and whether it's a true or false, I need the true. Click on this. Thereby, I can see the right T1 micro and T2 micro. Both are free time. But if you go with the T1 micro, you will get one virtual CPU core and 612 megabyte, 0.61 gigabyte you will get it. But if you go with the T2 micro, you will get 1 gigabyte, right? So based on your requirement, you can select, but I can go with the free time. See guys, if you change the region, maybe I'm changing the region from the North Virginia to, maybe let me select a Mumbai region, Asia specific, Mumbai region. So if you change the region, and let me create, this is my CentOS machine, or it's a Linux distribution, maybe I can create Linux, and this is an Amazon Linux, and come below, and you can go to the instance type and click on this compare instance type, and I can select which is free tier eligible. Click on this and click on true, and see here we don't have a T1 micro, right? I can see only a T2 micro. So based on your region, you will find the free tier instance type. So suppose if you select some other region, I can go for maybe say Tokyo, or maybe I can go for London, Europe, London region I have selected. I'm selecting the London region. Say this is my some name, says this is my Linux one. Go to the EMI. It is an Amazon Linux, and you can go to the instance type and click on compare instance type. I can go with the free tier eligible and click on true. So here also I'm getting the T2 micro, right? Based on your region, you will get what? An instance type. Are you clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now here you can go with the Amazon Linux distribution and instance type. I have selected T2 micro, or you can go with the T1 micro also. And the next part, which is the key pair, for securely access your EC2, guys. In order to securely access your EC2, we have a key pair, right? So whenever you generate a key pair, what you will get? You will get key pair is one of the mechanism, or to securely access your EC2, we are going for key pair. Securely access to your EC2, we are going for a key pair, right? So securely access your EC2, we are going for key pair. Access your EC2, we are going for key pair. Yes, whenever you generate a key pair, what you will get? You will get a public key along with the private key. When you generate a key pair, you will get the public key with the private key. So who will have the public key? Public key, which is owned by AWS cloud. Public key is owned by AWS cloud, but private key is owned by a user or customer. The user or customer, they should have the private key in their local machine. Suppose they are having in the local machine, you can have the local machine. When you download any file, right? When you download a key pair, you will get the private key in your machine, but the public key is owned by the AWS cloud. So you have to use the private key in order to connect your AWS cloud through the public key. Who will have the private key? The private key is owned by the user or customer or the programmer. They will have it in the local machine. Who is having the public key? It is available in the AWS machine. It is available in the AWS server. You have to access that particular EC2. How? With the help of a private key. This private key you will send from some third-party software. Thereby you can able to access. Right? So suppose let me go to my EC2 instance, and I will create a new key pair, and I will give the key pair name. You can give any key pair name, right? It is also saying the name can include up to 255 characters. It cannot include leading or trailing space. We should not allow any spaces. But you can create the key pair. Say suppose I'm creating this is the key pair underscore. Say this is my key pair hyphen. Today date is 10. February 2023, like that. You can give the key pair name. Any name you can give it. And you can either go with the file format in the form of .pem. .pem means privacy enhancement mail. Privacy enhanced mail. You can go with the PEM file or you can go with PPK. PPK means Putty private key. Either you can go for a PEM file or you can go for PPK. But as of now, I will go with the PEM file. Mostly, if you are the Windows user, if you are using Windows operating system, your laptop is Windows, right? In that case, guys can go for .ppk, or you can go for .pem also. Mostly, I am using the Mac machine. My laptop is Mac. That's the reason I always prefer PEM, because I have a terminal. It is all your wish, guys. Either you can go for .pem or .ppk. Maybe I will cover both today. Let me go with the .pem, privacy enhanced mail. Thereby we can use the SSH. Just click on create a key pair. What will happen? One key pair will be downloaded in your local machine. This key pair is nothing but a private key. Automatically in AWS we have a public key. This is a private key that you have downloaded in your local machine. Now come below and network settings. Network settings is VPC part that we will cover later. Network settings I'm not going to cover now. Virtual private cloud that we will cover later. But we have a firewall, right? Already I told you. In every instance that you are creating from AWS, there is a firewall. The firewall always deny any rule or any traffic coming from anywhere. Always it will deny. In default, AWS will deny everything. But in order to allow, because if you want to access your Linux server, which protocol you have to use? SSH protocol. Secure shell protocol. Without SSH, we cannot access the Linux server. For that reason only we are allowing here. If you disallow, you cannot access your EC2. If you disallow this one, you cannot access your EC2. Right? Suppose without allowing this SSH, if I try to click on this launch instance, I'm not going to allow this one. But if I click on launch instance, see, I have created the EC2. I have created the EC2. But if I click on this, okay, it will take some time. We will wait. It is saying pending. So once it is running, we will wait for a few seconds. Okay. Yeah, it's running. I can click on this and click on connect. And we have one feature, right, which is easy to instance connect feature. Instance connect feature. Through that, we can able to connect. When you click on this, and it's loading. See, I'm getting failed to connect to your EC2 instance. Unable to connect your EC2. Your network settings are configured correctly for EC2. Just to check it. Like that, you are getting an error. Then it means that we are not properly connected to your EC2 instance. Even you can refer this URL also. Copy this and paste this one. I can refer this URL. That way we'll get the why we are getting this error. See, in order to set up your EC2 instance, you have to configure the network access to your instance, right? We failed to configure the SSH. See, you are not configuring the SSH authentication. As a result, we cannot use the instance connect. See what is saying? Hey, can you done the SSH authentication? If you are not doing the SSH authentication, how can I allow? The verify, the general prerequisites for connecting to your instance using SSH. So what we should do? We have to connect your EC2 instance first. So you can click on instance and I can click on this and come below. Can you see something called security? Click on this security. Click on. Can you see the security group? Click on this. Now I will add edit inbound rule. Edit inbound rule where we have to add. What we have to add? We have to allow the SSH. We have to allow the SSH from any traffic, from anywhere, over the network, from anywhere, whoever is accessing this Linux server, we have to allow. Now, if I try to connect this EC2 instance, whether it is possible or not, we'll see. Yes, it got connected, right? So remember, in AWS, whenever you try to connect your EC2 instance, you need SSH protocol that you have to allow. Otherwise, AWS will deny. Otherwise, AWS will deny your request. Your EC2 will deny your request. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you have to allow the SSH, remember. Now suppose, let me stop this instance. I'm stopping this instance. It means that you have shut down. You've done the shutdown. You have a laptop, but you shut down. Now what I have to do? I have to start this instance. How can I start this instance? You can click on this and you can go to the instance state and you can start the instance. But what I'm going to do, okay, I will start the instance also. Okay, let me refresh. Once again, click on this, go to instance state and click on start instance. Start instance. Okay. Yes, it is running now. But status check is just initialization. What I should do? I have to run this instance. I have to connect this instance. One way is you can click on this. You can go to the connect and with the help of instance connect feature, you can able to connect. This is the one way already you know. But I'm not going to use this one. Instead of that, I'm going to use the terminal. How can I use the terminal? Right? So for that, you have to open the terminal. First, you can open the terminal. Guys, whenever you are clicking on the directly connect, right, already you have a PIM file. That's the reason it is not asking any PIM file and all. See, when you directly click on this connect and you can click on the connect, you can able to connect, that will connect because UI level you are doing. In the UI level you are doing, it is already have the PIM file. But now I'm trying to connect this EC2 instance from the local machine. From the local machine. If you are connecting your EC2 instance from the local machine, you should provide the permission to the PIM file also. Where is my PIM file is available? You already know that got downloaded into downloads folder. Right? So if I go my downloads folder, I will go to the downloads folder. Can you see my PIM file here? Here I have a PIM file. Now what I can do, I can go to my terminal, write cd downloads, then press enter. Now I'm inside the downloads folder. Now what I need to do, I need to give the file permission. So in order to give the file permission, we have a command called chmod. Guys, in the interview also people might ask, hey, how can I give the file permission? With help of chmod. Chmod is a unique based command. Chmod is the unique based command. Using that, you can able to give the file permission. Chmod space 400 and the file name. What is the file name or file location? I have it in my local machine. Let me check. So what I have given the file name as, okay, let me maximize. So go to the downloads, keeper -10 February 2023.py. Let me write like this, keeper -10, then 0, which is February 10 February 2023.py is the file name. And press enter. That's it. You are given the file permission. Now I have to connect my EC2 instance. See, in my EC2, so far, if I go my instances, here it is still no. Okay, it got connected. How? It got connected. Okay. Then I have to stop this first. Then let me click on this and stop this instance. Okay. Now I will try to connect this instance. Let's see. How to connect this instance? You have to use the command called SSH space -I. You have to give the key pair name. What is the key pair name? Key pair -10 February 2023. You can give short name, guys. Pen space, and then you have to give the public IP address along with the username. What is the username? If you want to understand the username, here. Okay, when I connect then only. Okay. the default username is EC2 hyphen user at the rate of the public IP address. You can get it here. Public IP address, you can able to get it here. Copy this. You can get the public IP address. So now simply go to here and paste it. So SSH space hyphen I, and you can give the key pair name, username at the rate of public IP address. And when you press enter, now it should connect your EC2 instance, guys. Now we'll see. So this is the command through the SSH client. If you are using the terminal or command prompt, through that you can able to connect your EC2 instance with the help of this command, SSH space hyphen I, key pair, dot pim, and username at the rate of a public IP address. Let's see. What happened? It got struck. Okay. Let me terminate. Open once again terminal and maximize this. So what I have to write? SSH or CD downloads, press and SSH space hyphen I, and you have to give the key pair name, key pair hyphen, and which is 10 hyphen February hyphen 2023 dot pim5 space the username EC2. We can check that also. Click on this and go to the connect EC2 hyphen user, right, which is the username. So EC2 hyphen user at the rate of a public IP address. Where is the public IP address? You can click on instances, click on this and get the public IP address. Now you can paste it and press enter. And it is asking yes, yeah, we can give this. Now see, I can able to connect your Amazon Linux AMI. You have to follow this instruction. This is the second way. Either directly you can go for instance connect, or from the terminal, or from the command prompt, or from the, if you are using the Windows machine, go with the PowerShell, or you can go with the PowerShell, or you can go for terminal command prompt. Through that, able to connect your EC2 instance. Am I clear so far? This is we have done yesterday.
In CH mod, can we give any other number rather than 400?
We have a many number, man, but if you want to allow the key pair, we can give the 400.
Okay.
There are different meaning, right, with respect to the number, but if you give the 400, we can allow the key pair. Did I answer your question? Hello. Okay. Okay. Any questions so far? Guys, quickly confirm.
No, sir.
Okay. Fine. So we can able to connect your EC2 instance. Now, because is anyone connected with your AWS cloud? Is anyone connected with your AWS cloud? Did you guys create an account?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nikhil, what you can do, I will stop the screen. Okay.
Okay,
I
sir.
will make you as a host. I will make you host. Can you share your screen?
Just a second, sir. It will take 2 minutes time, sir.
Okay, others? Anyone is available readily? You have a machine now? AWS cloud, but launched? Can you tell me? Nikhil, meanwhile, please try to complete.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Others? No one is available? Don't you have a AWS account?
Sir, now I'm connecting with my laptop, sir. Before I'm connecting with my mobile.
Okay, you can connect a laptop. I will wait. I will wait. No issues. Why? What happened, guys? Others not creating an AWS account? Guys, you have to create.
Sir, making money is not going, sir.
Making money. Oh, what happened? Your credit card and debit card is not proper. You don't have
Sir,
a valid
debit card. Sir, debit card having, sir,
your
but
debit
not.
card. Yeah, sometimes a debit card won't work, man. You have to go for a credit card. Maybe you can get it credit card from some people.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow, maybe what I can do, I can make some notification at all. That way, if you are crossing your limit, it will give you notification. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So no need to worry. Your credit card, even though we are giving 1 year, it is a free, but again, they are giving the resources. Yeah, today end of the session, I will tell you how you can manage. That way, you will not lose the money.
Okay, sir.
Then when you create an account, you have set up an account. It is easy, Sambil. Will you share your screen? And can we do? Sambil.
Sir,
Yeah,
host
yeah, sure. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Sambil, can you share your screen? Can I make
Yeah,
you?
sure. Yeah, sure.
I will make you as a host. You are
Yeah.
using the Windows machine, right?
Yeah, Windows. Yeah.
Okay, I will change you as a host. Yeah, you just share your screen.
I hope it is visible.
Yeah, it is
Right?
visible.
Yeah.
Okay, you can give some name. Guys, everyone listen. Please don't do anything. Just listen what Samuel is doing. No, man, you can give it as Linux machine. It is not Windows, Linux. Yep. So you can select first one. That's enough. Yep. Come below. No, not required. Come below. T2 micro, you can leave it. Keeper. You just click on create a keeper. Create a new keeper. Yep. So here you can give some name. Maybe say test. Simple name. You can give any name. Okay. Fine. And click on create a keeper. Okay. So now you have created the PEM file. Fine. Come below. And you are allowing the SSH key. That's also good. Yeah, click on launch instance. That's it. Click on view all instance. Now we'll try to connect this instance. First of all, with the help of instance connect. Okay, wait for a while. It is pending still. We will wait and you can refresh. Yeah.
sir,
Yeah, tell me, Nikhil.
sir, we didn't give the SSS permission right now, sir.
Which I already given, man. Already in default it got selected.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. You just click on that one and click on connect. And click on connect. Fine. Cool. This is the one way, right? This is the one way of connecting your EC2 instance with help of instance connect feature. We will go
Yeah.
for second way, right? For Windows
Yeah.
machine. Yes, Samuel, can you open your command prompt now? No, CMD. 1 second, CMD. Go to run and CMD. Just type CMD. Yeah, press enter. Yes. Then maximize. On the white tab, right? Can you right click on this? Upper. Just right click on this. Can you see that? No. Right click. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Just right click on this. So on the white, right? The top.
Yeah.
Right click on this and click on properties. Right now you can. Okay, wait. Yeah, you can go for the font. And 20, set it as a 20 or 24. 20 it is enough. Yep. Click on OK. Yes. Now what you can do? You have to go for the downloads. CD. Change directory. CD command. CD space D
Download.
W space. The tab, you can press tab. Automatically you can press tab.
Right?
Yeah, tab. Yes, press enter. That's it. Now you can try chmod command, chmod space 400, and you can give the file name, space file name. What is the file name? abcd.pem, right? What you have given?
Yeah,
abcd.pem.
abcd.pem.
Yeah,
Exactly.
you can give that one. .pem.
EM.
Press enter. Okay, chmod is not recognized. Okay. So in that case, Windows machine, basically, when you go with the Windows machine, when you go with the command prompt, right, something it will not do like this. It means that it will not allow this one. So for that, you can go for downloads now. Go to downloads and right click on the particular file and go to the properties. Right click and go to the properties. And where you can see security tab, right? Click on the security tab. And in that, okay, in that to change the permission, click on edit. Edit. Okay. So here also it is a full control only. Okay. And okay. Yeah, come below. And special permission, click on that. Not able to cancel. Click on cancel. Okay, 1 minute. Click on advanced. And it is also allowing. Okay. And click on the disable inheritance. Inheritor permission, experiments from this, remove all inheritor. Yeah, remove all inheritor permission. Okay, cancel. Just cancel. No. Cancel. Cancel. And cancel. Yeah, 1 minute. Please wait. 1 minute. Okay, 1 second. Right click on that. Go to the properties and security. Click on advanced and click on disable inheritance and remove all. Yep. Apply. And yes. And once again. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Is there any select a principal? Somewhere select a principal. Okay, go to the general. Okay, no, go to the security once again. Click on advanced. Okay, can you see add over there? Add button. Yeah, click on that. Select a principal. Click on that. So enter the objective to select. Type your Windows username. Your Windows username. Yes, click on OK. No, Windows username, is that right?
Just let me check that.
Yeah, you can check.
Quick.
Sam's, which is Jonathan, I think so.
Yeah, John.
Press OK. No. Mhm. Click on close. Jonathan. So Jonathan, is it? Can you give this name actually? Sam space Johnny. Sam space Johnny. Small s, I think so. No, Sam space Johnny, I think. No underscore. No.
Okay,
Sam
okay.
space Johnny.
Yeah. Sorry.
Click on OK. No, it is not working. Okay. Mhm. Let's see, cancel. Click on cancel. Okay, cancel. Cancel. And cancel. Okay. So what we can do, right? Open your PowerShell instead of command prompt. Open your PowerShell. You just type in your search start menu PowerShell. Start menu, where you can type PowerShell. Type PowerShell. PowerShell space shell. Yeah, can you see Windows PowerShell?
Yeah.
Cross 86, cross below third. Yeah, you can use this also. Yeah. Zoom this one. Now, can you type that command? CD space downloads.
Yeah, sure.
Press tab. No, CD space DOW. Press space. Tab. I'm sorry, tab. Yep. Press enter. Yes. Now you can type chmod space 400, and you can type the key pair name space abcd.pep. Press enter.
Again, I have to
Press enter.
press enter.
Yeah. You can press enter. Now we'll see. Yes, cannot the term space chmod is not recognized. Category object not for. One minute, let me check. So that's the problem when we go with the Windows machine.
Yeah.
Can you check, Samuel, your Windows username? Control
Windows.
L, you can type there. You can find the username. You can see the username, right? When you lock your Windows, you just lock your username, your laptop. Don't restart. Just lock. Control L,
L, right?
Yeah, Control L.
Yeah, it's not working. I
Control
put it
Windows
on,
button.
like, can I put it on sleep mode, something like that?
1 minute, let me check. You can type Windows L, Windows button, right? In your keyboard, Windows plus L.
Yeah.
Yes. Press enter now.
Yeah.
Enter. Can you see? Press enter. So click on that page. You have to see the username, right?
Yeah, it's Sam space Joni. Username is.
Okay. Can we try now once again? Can you come
Sure.
to once again your application? The PIM file, where you can go to the PIM file. No, PIM file.
This one?
No, downloads. You can go to the downloads folder. And inside the downloads folder, we have a PIM file, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Right click on this. and go to the properties and click on your security. And here you have to click advanced and click on this add. Select a principal, give your username, space, join. Yeah, click on OK. What is it? An object, user group, or built-in security with the following cannot be found. Sam join. Check the select object type and location for accuracy. That you have typed the object correctly, or remove this application restriction. Okay. Check the names. Click on check names. Right side. Yeah, check names. No. Click on close. And click on the object types or location. Yeah, that built-in security principle. Click on that. Okay. And yeah, but now click on OK. No. Click on that location. John, okay, that's okay. And this is not up there. Wait, click on advanced. Okay, object types, click on object type. Oh no, cancel. Now right side, can you see find now? Find now. Yeah, here, can you see Johnny is available? Sam Johnny.
Oh, it's all Jonathan.
Yeah, come below. There you can see the Sam Johnny. Yeah, the Sam Johnny is available. Yes.
Oh,
Yeah, click on OK now. Yes, click on OK now. Yes, done. Now, 1 minute. Yeah, you can give only 1 minute. Wait. Give all permission now. Go to once again, give all permission. Yeah, click on OK now. Okay. Now let's go to the CMD once again. Command prompt. Close this command prompt, open once again. That's okay. Yep. Now type CD space downloads tab. Press enter. Now type chmod space 400 space abcd.py. Press enter. Okay. We don't require the chmod here again. Just use the directly SSH command, SSH space -i space once again abcd.py space EC2 user EC2 at the rate of, copy the public IP address from the machine, go to the AWS cloud. Yes, correct. Click on that. Okay. Do slowly, no issues. Yeah, click on that EC2 or AWS. Click on that AWS logo, right? You can see logo. Yeah, click on it. Now click on EC2. Instances running. Yeah, top. Yep. Click on that. Copy the public IP address. No, left hand side. Yeah, that one. Good. Yeah, you can paste that one. Go to here, paste that one. Press enter. Yes, yes. Press enter. Here you go. Now you can able to access your AWS cloud. So I told you this thing because if you are using the Windows machine, you unfortunately you are not able to connect chmod. For that, what you need to do? You need to go for the file and you have to give the permission. Samuel, are you clear?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Others? Yes, I'm using the Mac machine. Automatically you get the chmod. But you guys are using the Windows machine. You will not get the access. For that reason only I'm saying. Clear?
Yes, Dinesh.
Okay. Right. So this is the second way. Now you guys are using the Windows machine, right? I will give you third way also. Sam, you can go to the Google once again. I will tell you third way how to access your EC2 instance. And put the tab, open the tab, new tab, new tab, new tab.
Yeah.
Here. You have the plus icon, right? You can just click on the plus icon. Yeah. Maximize the window. Type in Google, Putty download. Putty, Putty download. Paste download. Yes, press enter. So if you are using the Windows machine, you can go to the Putty. Click on that. Can you download that one? Download Putty? Yes. Correct. You can click on that. Good. So now come below. You can no. Top. Binary files. Allow me binary file. Alternative binary files. Yes. Here. Yeah. So what you can do, you can go for exe file, which is you can take it. Your machine is 64-bit, right? Go with the first one. First one. Yeah. Yes. Now we got the Putty. Double click on that, and you can install. Yes, that's it. Wait for a while. That's it. Okay, so what you have to do? So if you want to connect your EC2 instance, the third way is using the Putty. If you are using the Windows machine, so it is very simple. Samuel, go to your AWS. The fourth tab in your browser. Fourth tab. They were correct only. Yes. Now create a new instance. Better. Create a new instance. In top right, yeah, launch instance. Top right, launch instance. Yeah. Launch instance. Now give some name. Maybe Linux 2 or Linux 3, like that. You can give some name. Okay. Same AMI. Okay. The same instance type. But this time, can you click on the create new keeper? But instead of a PEM file, we will go with the Putty. 1 minute. .ppk. We will go with .ppk. .ppk, whenever you are using the third party external software, like external client. Putty, if you are using, you can go with the .ppk. That's it. Click on create a keeper. It gives a different name, man. Give a different name. Yep. Click on create a keeper. Fine. Now you are okay, done. That's it. You can go to now Putty. Yes. So here you have to host name, right? Host name means the IP address of your instance, public IP address, right? Before that, click on launch instance. Yep. Click on launch instance. View all instances. Okay. So we will wait. Yeah, click on that one and get the public IP address. Copy that public IP address. Yes. Go to your machine, just paste it. Now, left hand side, very left side, you can see SSH, right? Can you click on SSH? SSH. Under the connection. No, not that one. Left hand side. Under the connection. Under the connection, you can see yes. Click on that. Yeah, click on that. No, the plus icon. You can click on the plus icon. Yes, you can see the auth, right? AUTH, auth.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, plus icon. And the credentials. Click on credentials. Good. Now, can you see there private key file for authentication?
Yes.
And we have to browse it. Click on browse. Now you download folder. You have a PPK, right? You can click on that. That's it. Click on open. And now click on open. Now accept it. Accept that one. Yes. Now you can give your username. What is the username? EC2-user. Login as EC2-user. No, not like that. Okay. You can change it also.
Yeah.
Is there anything available?
No, not available.
EC2-user. It is a username of your EC2. EC2 -user.
User, right?
Yeah, user, correct.
Yeah.
Press enter. Yes. This is the third way. This is the third way. That way also we can able to connect your EC2 instance. Am I clear, guys? Yes, sir.
Bro, can you tell me one more time
One more time. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Will you share your screen?
to
Akash?
connect it with Putty?
Yeah, I will tell you. Will you share your screen, Akash?
Okay, bro. Just a minute.
Okay. Guys, others are clear?
Yes, Dinesh.
Okay. So far, three way you know. One is instance connect feature, or otherwise we can go for SSH client. The third one is we can go for the Putty. Samuel, are you clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bro, 1 minute. I need to connect it with my laptop.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Meanwhile, others, if you are interested, you can share your screen. I will make you as a host. Is anyone interested to share your screen to connect Putty? What happened, guys? Okay. Okay. Samuel, can you make me as a host because you are the host now?
Yeah, sure.
You can find my name. You can click
Yes.
on participant where you can find my name and just click on that make host.
Yeah, done. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So let me share my screen. So you know now 3 ways to connect your EC2 instance. Right? So see, the simple, you can go for 3 way. In the entry also you can tell what are the different way to connect your EC2. EC2 connect. What are the different way to connect your EC2? See, there are 3 ways. The first way.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. You connected, right, your machine, Akash?
Yes, I am connected.
Wait for 5 minutes. Okay, we will connect. 5 minutes.
Okay.
The first one, we can go for instance connect feature. EC2 instance connect feature. This is on UI level. This is on GUI level. Graphical user interface. It is very easy, straightforward. Straightforward, you can go for. Okay. The second way, you can go for SSH client. If you are using the Windows machine, you can go for command prompt or you can go for PowerShell. But I'm using the Mac machine, I can go for terminal. But before that, remember, you have to change the settings, right? You have to change the settings, chmod command. For that, you have to right click on the PPK file where you can see the advanced and you have to give all the permission. As Samuel done, you also do the same thing. The third one, we can go for Putty. If you go for Putty, you should have the .ppk file. .ppk. Guys, Putty is one external software base. If you ask me, what is Putty? Like that, we have many software in the market. This is, I have given 3 ways, but there are thousands of ways available. Now to connect to EC2 instance. Right? Putty is one external software or external client, I can call on this. External client or software. What basically is happening, right? What basically happening? So consider, I have a EC2 machine. This is my EC2. This is my EC2. It is my EC2. So if you want to connect this EC2 instance, already EC2 it comes under AWS, right? This AWS already have the public key. AWS owns your public key. So in order to connect your EC2 instance, what basically you have to provide? You have to provide a private key. How you are providing the private key? That's the question. You are providing the private key with help of external software. That external software or external client, which is nothing but a Putty. Putty is one external software. Through the external software, what you are doing? You are uploading your private key. Samuel also done the same thing. What he has done? he has given the public IP address on the Putty, along with what you have to provide. You have to provide the private key also. Private key also. When this private key that you are passing from the Putty in order to connect your EC2 instance, if both are matching, you can able to access. Suppose whatever the private key that you are passing, it is invalid, then we cannot connect, right? See, when compared to private key, password authentication, maybe you can consider like, yeah, we can go for password authentication also. But password authentication, we will give 5-digit or 6-digit. But if you open the private key, there you can see the hundreds of character, right? It is very secured access. That way we can able to access the EC2 instance. Right? AWS is providing the private key authentication, private and public key with help of a keeper that we are generating. 1 minute, please. Okay. Are you clear, guys? Yes or no? Yes, no? Okay. Akash, I made you as a host. Can you share your screen now? Akash there? Akash, are you available or not?
I am available. Can you audible to you?
Yeah, please share your screen.
Okay.
Okay, good. So you can give the, okay, go to your
Uh,
browser.
I already downloaded Putty.
Okay, that's fine. Go to browser.
Okay.
Open AWS console. Okay.
Yeah, already.
Yeah, click on instances. Yeah, I know. I got it. Click on instances.
Okay.
Yes. Click on that Linux one. And 1 minute, man. Why are you going the like? So go to that instances. Click on that Linux one. And the
Okay.
instance summary. Click on instance summary. No, below. Below the details. No. Go up. Go up. No, you've done the drop down, right? Scroll down, right? Go up.
Oh, here.
Yes, go up. Click on
Okay.
instance summary. Instance summary. Below the details.
Okay.
Copy the public IP address.
Yeah, copy.
Yeah. Go to your Putty now. Paste it. Control V. Yes. Click on SSH. Return side.
Okay.
Click on auth. Credentials. And click on browse. Browse. No. What I'm saying, just to follow my instruction.
Okay.
Click on browse. In the, yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Just to get that PPK. Yes. Open. Below. Yes. Click on accept. Yes. EC2 open user. Press enter. Yes. Are you clear now?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Shall I stop
So you
share?
can stop the screen and just make me as host.
Okay. How do I want to do?
So you just go to the participant, or better I can reclaim, no issues. Okay, done.
Okay.
Yes. It happened. Then I have a project coordinator. Okay, Amna. Okay. Fine, guys. So today, please try to complete your setup, because today we have done only a Putty setup. Okay, you guys also complete. So we will continue tomorrow. Any question?
How many instances we can create, sir?
We can create thousands of instances also.
Maximum,
There is no
1,000.
maximum limit and all. If you have your money, we can buy any number of instances, millions of instances also we can buy from AWS.
Okay.
But free tier eligible, which is having, right, if you want to understand the free tier eligible, I will tell you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Is there any other question? Because I want you all should create an AWS account. Along with that, you have to create one instance and you have to try with SSH client, instance connect, and Putty. Please complete tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Any other question? Okay, guys, I have another session. I'm leaving now. We'll see tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Okay, bro.